Today, we're looking at how to give a sneak peek and how it can remind people to book through social media. This is the Mayflower Theatre. And what they want to do, obviously, is use social media to try and drive bookings. So it's a kind of shop window, if you like, to all the shows that they've got. And they want to drive people to book. And what they've done is they have an upcoming show, which is Sister Act, and they want to make sure that people know that there's still tickets available, and they want to get people to book. So here you can see it says just in just 2 weeks, we'll be taking you to Heaven with Sister Act the musical to celebrate. We're throwing it back to the rehearsal room for a sneak peek. And then they've got the dates, and then it says available via link in the bio. And then here there's an amazing picture of the team that are all rehearsing. So it is that kind of sneak peek. You feel like you're kind of, peeking behind the curtain, if you like, that, you're getting the, like an extra view that you wouldn't get. And it just kind of makes you want to book off the back of it. So it shows you that, I guess, a little sneak peek behind the scenes, whether it's something that you're practicing or even whether it's, preparation for something. Showing the behind the scenes always works on social media because it does give people that extra sort of, that kind of, I don't know, it just feels more personal, I guess. Now, if I was these guys, I would want to make sure that I had all of my content scheduled in as much as I could because obviously, they're going to be a busy team. There's lots going on and you want to make sure that you're maximizing your time. So I would go to maybe go to the content calendar, which is here. And then here you can see all of the content that you've already got scheduled in across Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And then you can also start to schedule in as well. So here it says add a post. So you can add in a video, you can add in an image, you can schedule in for tomorrow, schedule in for next week. But it just means that everything's all planned in, you know exactly what's going on. And then it means that you've got more time to do everything else that you need to be doing as well. Now, as always, if you've got any questions at all, click on the little blue button. We love to help.